Congratulations on downloading the Soza Health Analytics by 2SMS content pack. This video will explain to you how to navigate your Power BI dashboard and reports. It will also explain where to get help. Installation requires a procedure to be followed, which is outlined at www.sozahealth.com/Power BI. On loading the solution, you will see the dashboard in front of you. The dashboard is split into sections. I'll now show you each section. At the top, you'll see the main analytics. This section shows some key metrics, including overall health scores for your organisation, areas of focus, and other key metrics. Each data tile is clickable. Click on it to get the underlying report, where you can explore and drill down. Moving down, you'll see areas for splits by age, gender differences, and ethnicity differences. We finish up with a section showing some metadata. Now we move on to the report. Click on any data tile on the dashboard. Welcome to the report. First up, organisational summary. Here we list some key health metrics for your organisation. Next up, health scores. The page analyses the single health score we provide to each individual. Note that by clicking male or female or one of the ethnicity choices, you can drill down into information. Now we move on to where to focus. This section highlights health issues that affect your people and therefore affect your business. Note the gender differences. Next, we look at health categories. Here we drill down a level from the single health score we give to each customer and look at the constituent components of that score. Remember, you can click on gender or ethnicity to drill down into more detail. The next slide has the same data as the last. Look how we can select to look at Caucasian males. Next, we drill down into subcategories, another level of detail presented in two ways. Almost done. Now we look at some key health readings taken to identify any issues. So that's it. Please have a play around with the data. It's read-only, so you can't break anything. And don't forget, this works on Apple and Android devices. Where to get support? Visit www.sozahealth.com/analytics or visit our contact page at www.sozahealth.com/contact. And finally, any comments, feedback, or even bugs, please let us know. This solution will seek further development. And a word of thanks to the developers. This solution was developed by Soza Health in association with 2SMS. Thank you.